Hello and welcome back with a new diagram, and the diagram is So first of all we will watch the video.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say
So first of all I will tell you what is the action of sound. Okay, imagine you are a weightlifter and lift your weight above your head and say one more time. Look, what is the action of the sound? Imagine you are a weightlifter and you are uplifting the weight above your head like this. Okay, if I will hide this sound, so which sound is it? This is sound, and if I will hide this this is g sound. But when the both sounds are together, the diagram becomes Okay, so we have to read some words. So the first word is swing. 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 And how many sounds in a swing word? Swing. 4 sounds. How many sounds? 4 sounds in a swing word. The next word is sing. 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 And how many sounds in a sing word? Sing. 3 sounds. Sing. 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 The next word is wing. 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 And how many sounds in a wing word? 3 sounds. Wing. The next word is king. 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 And how many sounds in a king word? 3 sounds. King. King. Ring. 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 And how many sounds in a ring word? 3 sounds. Ring. And the last word is bring. 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 And how many sounds in a bring word? Bring. 4 sounds. How many sounds? 4 sounds in a bring word. Okay, let's read them quickly. Swing. Sing. Wing. King. Ring. Bring. So which diagraph is it? This is and which diagraph is this? Is and Hope so you enjoyed my lesson again today. So see you in the next week with a new 2 diagraph. Take care. Allah Hafiz.